Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to GLOBO Animating Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, there is another video for one secret website to sell your print-on-demand products online. So today's website is also new for me and maybe many of you guys haven't heard of it, maybe I don't know, but still it's a secret website, not many people are knowing about it. So I'm going to talk about that website and how you can take an advantage as being a print-on-demand seller to make more money online by doing your print-on-demand business. So we're just going to go straight with that, and before going to good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want more such content, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post content daily, especially for the creatives, artists and print-on-demand seller. I have the bunch of free guides, the free KDP tutorial, the free graphics for helping you making money online. All the resources are in the description box below. You can click on that link in the description box below and you can download them and use them. Now let's do, what is that website? That is prodigi.com. Now it's a new website guys for me as well, and it's maybe for you as well. So let's talk about what is this website all about, how you can make money as being a print-on-demand seller. Go into the about section onto the prodigi.com website. You're going to see they are saying Prodigi is the world's leading print-on-demand platform. What we do, we help companies selling printed products to simplify the logistics and maximize their profits. We do this using software and our drop shipping network. Our in-house manufacturing facilities are located in the United Kingdom and mainland Europe, surrounded by a global network of print-on-demand fulfillment partners. So they are mainly located in the United Kingdom and the Europe. If you want to scale your print-on-demand sales, we'd love to hear from you. So what is that mission? Our mission is to make global printing local. Printing products closer to customer is greener, cheaper and faster. Our platform is designed to make your business simpler, more competitive with greater scale and lower cost. So this is a little bit new to stuff, and they are describing about their company. Over 100 prodigis across half a dozen locations come together every day to help make your business simpler and more profitable. Our expertise is unique and deep, combining software and manufacturing teams to operate as one. We never stop collaborating, challenging or optimizing. We obsess about quality, striving each day to make our services and solutions work harder for you, which is awesome. Now, sustainably sourced. Environmental responsibility is our priority. From our mission to make global printing local through to our supply chain and product development, sustainability flows through our entire global network. So you can contact them. They are mainly based in the United Kingdom. And it's a basic introduction about the website. Now we're going to talk about what different kind of products you sell and what is the system and how it works. And on to the Prodigi. What are the different print-on-demand products? So they have the different kind of walls, prints and posters, frame prints, canvas prints and panel prints. Then the lifestyle, they have the stickers, stationery, device cases, photo books, photo gifts, home and living. In the apparel, they have the men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, accessories. So they have a huge variety of the products, especially if you are looking for the wall art, different kinds of selling the wall art, the print posters, frame prints, canvas and panels. There is so much about it. About this print-on-demand website is that it's not a marketplace guys. It's just like a Printful, Printify and Gooden. You need to connect your website, your Etsy store, your WooCommerce, your Shopify store, whatever you're having, to this Prodigi, and then you can sell your own print-on-demand products. It's not a marketplace guys, so if you're thinking that it's a marketplace, you can hop up on right now and start selling your print-on-demand product. Then I'm going to tell you it's not a marketplace, it's a solution, it's a website which help you in drop shipping your print-on-demand products. You can connect it with your website, either with the Etsy, either with the Gumroad, or either with the WooCommerce, whatever platform you're using, you connect with that and then you can sell your print-on-demand products. So it's a little bit different. It's not similar to the Redbubble or the Teepublic. It's more similar to the Printful, Printify and Gooden, but you see that you are getting a wide variety of wall art over here. Like if you're selling the different kinds of wall art and you're interested in selling the different kinds of wall arts in your print-on-demand products, then this website is exactly for you because they have a huge variety of the wall arts and also they have the different other types of print-on-demand product as well. Kinds of services they offer on their website. The first is a print-on-demand as usual. The second is the global print network, then the drop shipping, enterprise sales, fine art printing, volume picture framing, and these are some kind of services that they offer. And if you actually go onto their website, there is a lot more you can read in their blog articles. They have different kinds of blog articles talking about their business, what they help in, and also a little bit about the print on demand business, like which are the niches that you want to target, which are the print on demand successful niches, and various different kinds of blog articles they have on their website. So I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description box below for you guys to check it out, because it's another new website. And if you are looking for a solution just similar to Printful, Printify and Gooden, and you want some other website, then this website is exactly for you. You can check it out, guys, because I'm also new to this website, so I don't know like what is their printing quality and their shipping and the delivery and their packaging stuff. I don't know much about it, but still you can go on their website and can research a little bit about it and read their blog articles and know about what type of stuff they have, like what is their quality, and then you can order something for yourself and see how is the printing quality, and then you can start selling your print on demand products on different websites, like connect it with the Etsy, BigCommerce or Shopify or WooCommerce, whatever it is, and start selling your print on demand products and make more money online. Print API as well, especially if you are looking for a WooCommerce. Then the manual order form, they also have a mockup generator. So if you want to generate the mockup for your print on demand products, that is exactly for you. Then the photo book maker, BigCommerce app, mockup generator, CSV, importer, mobile SDK, print shop, Etsy. So they have so many stuff over here. And then you can also get a free sample pack. So if I'm just gonna click and read about what is about the free sample pack, key products beautifully presented, view our packs. So main sample pack, order now. You can order the sample pack as well and see the different types of stuffs they have, like different types of stationery, the photos, the home and living, the cushion. You can order them and you can check their printing quality, and then you decide that you want to go with this website or not. So it depends on you guys if you want to go with that. It's an alternative to Printful, Printify and Gooden, because if you see that it's not okay for you, so you can order your free sample pack and can get the free delivery on that. You can check the website for more details, guys. I'm not going to read into each and everything in this video, but still I'm just giving you an overview about this website, what you can expect and what you can sell on this website. Great video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below and let me know, have you ever heard of the Prodigy? Are you using this website or not? Let me know in the comment section below if you are using it. How is your user experience? How you see this website? Is it worth it or is not? How is the printing quality? If you know anything about it, do let me know in the comment section below, guys, because this website is also new to me. I'm also new to it and I haven't tried it before. It's just completely new. I just learned it from the internet and I just read their blog articles and I find it interesting. So that's why I thought of making this video, guys, to help you, to introduce you to more different print on demand websites that you can use for making more money by selling your more print on demand products online. So that's it for today's video, guys, and the link of this website is description box below. You can click on that link and you can go onto the website, read the blog articles and get to know more about this website, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.